Best beach comparison. Beach chairs are essential for anyone looking to combine comfort and practicality during outdoor relaxation, whether it's at the beach, by the pool, or at a campsite. With numerous options available, choosing the right chair can be overwhelming.
List number Tommy Bahama 5-Position Classic. The Tommy Bahama 5-Position Classic lay-flat folding backpack beach chair is a versatile mid-range option designed for beachgoers who value convenience and comfort. Its lightweight aluminum frame makes it easy to carry, while the padded backpack straps enhance portability. The chair features 5 adjustable positions, including a lay-flat option, and includes thoughtful extras like a towel bar, a storage pouch, an insulated cooler, and a cup holder. The patented Safe Adjust technology ensures safety when changing positions, and the solid polyester construction promises durability. During testing, this chair proved to be an excellent all-rounder. The reclining positions were smooth to adjust, and the lay-flat option was perfect for sunbathing. The insulated cooler kept beverages cold for hours, and the attached bottle opener was a nice touch. However, at 7 pounds,
it is slightly heavier than other options, and the seat height of 23 inches may not be ideal for those looking for a low-slung design. Overall, it's a great choice for casual beachgoers who want a reliable and feature-rich chair. List number 2. KingCamp Low Beach Chairs. The KingCamp Low Beach Chair is designed for those who prioritize comfort and stability. With its extra-wide 23.5-inch seat and ergonomic high-back design, this chair offers excellent support for long beach days. Its breathable mesh back keeps you cool, while the steel frame and reinforced structure allow it to support up to 300 pounds. Additional features include padded armrests, a cup holder, a mesh pocket, and a carry bag for portability. This chair excelled in providing comfort, especially for taller or larger individuals. The low-slung design allowed for easy leg stretching, and the mesh back was effective in preventing heat buildup. However, at 7 pounds, it is not the lightest option, and its folded size is bulkier compared to other chairs. The anti-slip feet provided stability on uneven surfaces, making it a reliable choice for various outdoor settings. List number Nice Sea Adults Low Beach Chair. The Nice Sea Adults Low Beach Chair is a lightweight, portable option that comes in a convenient 2-pack. Made with heavy-duty steel and 1000D polyester mesh, it balances durability and comfort. The low seat height of 7 inches and anti-sink leg caps make it ideal for sandy beaches. It includes a cup holder and padded armrests, and the folding design ensures easy transport and storage. This chair stood out for its simplicity and portability. The low-profile design was perfect for relaxing close to the ground, and the mesh fabric provided excellent ventilation. However, the lack of adjustable reclining positions limited its versatility, and the smaller dimensions may not be as comfortable for larger users. Still, it's an excellent choice for those seeking a lightweight, no-frills beach chair. List 4. Ostrich Deluxe Reclining Lounge Chair. The Ostrich Deluxe Reclining Lounge Chair is the premium option in this lineup, offering a luxurious experience with its extra-wide seat, padded footrest, and removable lumbar pillow. It features 5 reclining positions and 3 footrest adjustments, as well as a patented face cavity for sunbathing. Made with rust-resistant hardware and 600D nylon fabric, it is built to withstand outdoor conditions. This chair delivered exceptional comfort during testing, especially for sunbathing and lounging. The face cavity and armholes allowed for a unique tanning experience, while the padded footrest added to overall relaxation. However, at 9.5 pounds, it is the heaviest chair in this review, and its higher price point may not fit all budgets. It's best suited for those who prioritize comfort and are willing to invest in a premium product. List 5. 5-Position Aluminum Lay-Flat Tall Beach Chair. The Pacmic 5-Position Aluminum Lay-Flat Tall Beach Chair is the budget-friendly option, offering great value with its adjustable recline, cooler pouch, and side pocket. The aluminum frame is lightweight yet durable, and the 600D Oxford fabric resists wear and tear. It also includes backpack straps for hands-free transport. This chair performed well for its price.
With the 5 reclining positions providing flexibility for different relaxation needs, the cooler pouch and towel bar were convenient additions. However, the seat width of 19.5 inches felt narrower compared to other models, and the overall build quality, while decent, lacked the premium feel of higher-priced options. It's a great choice for budget-conscious buyers who want a functional and portable beach chair.